My daily routine. Hello, my friends. My name is Lida. I am very happy to see you today. This is a short and easy story about my daily life as a mom and a housewife. Listen to me carefully. If you do not understand every word, it's okay. Just keep listening. When you listen many times, your English will get better. One day, you will be surprised. You will understand more and more. So relax, listen, and enjoy the story. My name is Lida. I am a wife and a mother of 2 children. I work from home on the internet, and I am also a housewife. I love my life very much. Every day I have a clear plan, and I try to live my day with happiness and peace. I wake up every day at 5 o'clock in the morning. I open my eyes slowly and smile. I love the morning. The house is quiet and peaceful. I go straight to the bathroom. I take a warm shower. The water wakes up my body and gives me energy. After my shower, I wear comfortable clothes. Then I go to the kitchen. I open the window to let in the fresh air. I put the kettle on the stove to make coffee. The smell of coffee in the morning is my favorite. While I wait, I check my phone and look at my to-do list for the day. I write a small list of what I want to do. Prepare breakfast, wake up the children, get my husband ready for work on my online project, clean the house, play with the children. At 6 o'clock, I start making breakfast. Today, I will make boiled eggs, toast, and milk for the children. For my husband, I will make tea with lemon, cheese, and olives. I like to put the food nicely on the table. I believe that a beautiful table gives positive energy in the morning. When I finish, I go to wake up my husband, David. I smile and say, "Good morning, my love. Breakfast is ready." He smiles back and says, "Good morning, Lida." Then I go to the children's room. My 2 children are Amy and Sam. I open the curtains in their room and say, "Good morning, my little friends." Amy opens her eyes slowly. Sam hides under the blanket. I laugh and say, "Come on, the sun is waiting for you." Soon they are all in the kitchen. We sit together at the table. We talk and laugh. I tell them that today we will play a new game in the afternoon. They are happy and start asking about it. After breakfast, David leaves for work. I give him his bag and say, "Have a nice day." He smiles and says, "You too." I help the children put on their school clothes. I brush Amy's hair and make sure Sam wears his shoes. I give them their school bags and kiss each one on the forehead. I say, "Be kind today at school." They all say, "Yes, Mom." The school bus arrives. I wave from the door as they wave back. I feel love and pride. I sit at my desk in the living room. I turn on my computer and connect to the internet. I work in digital marketing. I check my emails and write some messages to clients. I love my work because it gives me the freedom to be with my family all the time. I divide my work into short hours with small breaks to drink water or tidy something in the house. I put on my earphones and listen to soft music. I start by collecting the dishes and washing them. I wipe the table, then sweep the floor. I arrange the living room and put the cushions nicely on the sofa. I like a clean and tidy house because it gives me comfort. After cleaning, I make myself a cup of tea with a small piece of cake. I sit by the window and drink slowly. I look at the garden and feel thankful. I go back to my desk and finish some tasks. I write a short report and send some files. I enjoy the quiet house. Sometimes I watch a short video to motivate me or learn something new. I go to the kitchen and start cooking lunch. Today, I will make rice with chicken and vegetables. I cut carrots, green peppers, and onions. The smell of food fills the kitchen. I also make a light salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, and corn. I love adding different colors to my food. I hear the doorbell. The children are back from school. I open the door and welcome them with hugs. Amy talks about her new friend. Sam says he played football at recess. We sit together to eat lunch. We talk and laugh. I make sure they eat well. Then we clean the table together. After lunch, we take a short rest. Then we play a puzzle game. I show them how to put the pieces in the right place. We work together. When we finish the picture, we clap and celebrate. Then I let them watch their favorite TV show while I check my phone. I make juice and give them some biscuits. We sit together and talk about our weekend plans. We laugh a lot. I help Amy with her math homework. I check Sam's writing. I love being part of their learning. David comes back from work. He opens the door and says, "I'm home." The children run to him and hug him. We all sit in the living room, talk about our day, and eat some fruit. I give him a cup of tea. I ask the children to take a shower. I help Amy wash her hair. We all sit on the bed and I tell them a bedtime story about courage and honesty. After the story, I kiss them and say good night. I turn off the light and leave quietly. The house is quiet. I sit with David and talk. Sometimes we watch a short movie. Then I wash my face and prepare my clothes for tomorrow. I write in my small notebook 3 things that made me happy today. I put my head on the pillow and feel thankful. I love my life. I love my family. and I thank God for this beautiful day.